Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to do a presentation for my lesson plan for mathematics grade 2. The topic would be based on addition and subtraction calculations. Okay, let's start about lesson aims. At the end of the lesson, the learners should be able to make basic calculation from 0 to 99 using the subtraction and addition signs. The learners should be able to add any number and subtract from any numbers from the mentioned interval. The learners should be able to understand the differences between the use sign of calculations and what each one of them represent in terms of calculations. They should be able to apply the sign in multiple mathematical problems to get answers. For instance, in situation whereby the learners are solving objects, calculation or separation, the learners should be analyze the symbols and use them for balancing equations that are aligned with mathematical requirements. By viewing problem, learners can find the required solution for finding the required answer. The final step is involves learners being able to create their own mathematical problem while applying both the addition and subtraction sign. Okay, let's move to LTSM. Under LTSM, we've got smart board, we've got printers, we've got projectors, television, and smart math computer tools. And let's go to the teaching strategy apply when conducting the learners. Okay, when conducting the lesson, the most preferred strategy that I will apply when I teach the student will be include planning the lesson according to learners' cognitive development skills, providing enough information of which they would be able to apply the problems on their own. In this way, I will be able to create learners who develop the sense of independent learning throughout their learning careers. Let's go to teaching method and style applied when offering the lesson to learners. Bullet number one, we've got collaborative learning style. We've got collaborative learning involving pairing learners in different groups as to as to as to so they can work together in tackling and giving academic problem or projects. This type of teaching method can successfully develop learners' cognitive skills, allowing them to work together and finding solutions to problem. They will understand the importance of working together for the greater benefits and also collaborate, sharing their different unique knowledges. And the following topic is introduction that connects with prior knowledge and describe the purpose of lesson and development of content and connects with prior knowledge. The learners form a greater part of developing learners to be good mathematicians who are educated and skilled enough to solve most problems. The lesson serves as an introduction to learners' basic mathematics concepts as with this foundation embedded in them. They will be able to apply it to bigger complex is not just about calculation only. It's equipped learners with the necessary skills which allow them to be proficient in answering questions effectively. The development of content includes learners being sufficient in both reading and writing as it will benefit them in interpreting the question correctly and addition providing correct answers to them. Let's go to assessment offered during the lesson. Question to be asked during the lesson: how many is left when 8 is subtracted from 20? When 70 is deducted from 99, how much is left? When 8 is 65 to 20, what is the answer? When adding 5 to 6, adding the final answer by 54, what is the total? The possible answer would be 12, 29, 85, 11 plus 54 is equal to 65. Let's go to the homework offered during the lesson. Homework. Learners will project to use homemade stuff such as paper and plastic to make mathematics signs and bring them to school. Game will be played in the playground such as identifying number of trees outside and counting them through addition. Give learners home-based homework to make their own research task in terms of where mathematical operations are used and how they are applied. Let's move to the reflection of the lesson. The lesson aims were reached at the lesson were in the end able to use the addition and the subtraction sign when adding and subtracting numbers. The time, however, used was enough due to the fact that the learning phase between the learners is not the same. Some learners are slow to adapt to capturing information fast. The lesson plan would be adjust in such a way that the duration time increased as cater for all the learners' learning requirement in the classroom. Also, the used material will be simplified for each understanding. Thank you for subscribing on my page. You can like and subscribe to my page.